Walker offers a variety of clamp styles and sizes for your installation needs. Helps to ensure a leak-free connection. Constructed from durable and robust material for long life. New Walker accessories help to ensure effective exhaust repairs. Walker, with our worldwide OE partnerships and manufacturing facilities, possesses the technical excellence needed to meet today's emissions control needs, while developing solutions for tomorrow's challenges. Walker is a one-stop convenience, offering complete engine-to-tailpipe coverage of replacement emissions control systems and components for popular domestic and import vehicles in broad market, performance, and commercial vehicle applications. Walker delivers optimal OE-style fit, appearance, and dependability in aftermarket emissions control parts. Top reviews from the United States. It works as it should. The old folks used to say, he could break an anvil with a rubber hammer. That's my response to anyone who complains about breaking these clamps.